guys, Transport RC here, and in today's video I'll be doing an unboxing of the Xanes A6S Fitness band. So let's get started. When I took the box out of the packaging, I was really shocked. As you can see in the video, the cardboard for the box is completely ripped. It's wrinkled, so I suspect there was water damage, and it also looks squashed from the shipping. And I was hoping that the watch would actually work, because just looking at the damage from the box, I wouldn't think the watch would actually work. So when opening the box, the first thing you get is the user manual for the watch or smart bracelet. The user manual is in Chinese and also in English. You also have a QR code that you scan so you can download the app. Unfortunately, this watch does not connect to Apple Health. If you want this watch for Apple Health, it won't sync with Apple Health. So next thing we have is the watch. There is a plastic screen protector, a plastic cover on it, so just peel it off. And then that is the watch. It has a 1.3 inch screen, which isn't touchscreen, and also has an optical sensor for heart rate and blood pressure monitoring. So I don't know how that would actually work, so I'll do some tests and see how accurate it is. Afterwards, we have the band. It is split into two pieces. So you just need to slide the band into the watch so you can wear it. The clasp of the band does feel very cheap. It feels like that it might break after a few uses, so just be careful about that. It just feels very cheap. So yeah, that's basically it. That's what you get, a watch and the band, which is split into two pieces. As you can see, the thing that's sticking out on the watch, you just slide the band in. And also the charging is via USB. As you can see, you just plug it into a USB charger and it just charges like that. It's a very weird place to charge, but yeah, I don't know why it's like that, but it's pretty convenient. So yeah, that's how you charge it. Plug it into a USB and it should charge. So as I was saying before, you can just slide the band in and then you can wear it. So it's just as easy as just sliding the band into the two parts that stick out just like that on the screen, and yep, that's all you need to do to put the band on so you can wear the watch. Okay, so to turn on the watch, basically just press the circle button at the bottom of the watch and the watch will turn on. And once again, the watch isn't touchscreen, so to scroll through the pages of the watch, just press the button. You can't scroll back, so it'll just go around in a loop. So just keep pressing if you've just missed your page, and just keep pressing the button until you get back to the page. So the watch does come with two clock screens, so one with the heart rate and the walking distance, and the other one with the date. So basically just need to long press the circle button and it will change the clock screen. Now to the features of the watch. The watch does have a few features. So the first one is the step count, calories and walking distance. Then we also have a workout page, also a heart rate monitoring, also blood pressure monitoring, and also the oxygen monitoring. So over here, the watch did stop working for a few seconds. I was pressing the button and nothing happened. So it does show the quality control when manufacturing the product isn't very good. Moving on, the watch does have a message/notification function and also a Find My Phone function as well. And to turn off the watch, basically just need to go to the power page of the watch and long press the button and the watch will turn off. So that is all for the unboxing of the watch. A little bit disappointed, especially the packaging on how damaged it was. So I'll also be doing some tests on the Xanes A6S on the blood pressure and heart rate and see how accurate they are. So stay tuned for that. If you are new, please subscribe. Thank you guys for watching and take care.